To use MatBox materials with V-Ray, first open the Render Setup window. From the Assign Renderer section, set the production renderer to V-Ray. Now, let's switch to AfterBox. Once you've downloaded a material, simply drag and drop it into the 3ds Max viewport. This will place the material sphere at the software's origin point, coordinate 0. To apply the material, open the Compact Material Editor. Click the Pick Material from Object icon. Then click the material sphere in the viewport. Now, select your object and click Assign Material to Selection. That's it. Your material is now applied and ready to use. MatBox also includes powerful customization features that allow you to fine-tune each material. Let's go over those next. 1. Adding dirt to the material. Before we start, keep in mind dirt effects are only visible in the rendered view. So first, make sure interactive rendering is enabled. To active dirt on a material, click on the diffuse map. Then click Select Mode Dirt. Now, uncheck Disable Dirt and turn on Active Dirt by clicking the checkbox. Next, click the Active Dirt button to open the dirt settings. To change the dirt color, click Color Dirt. Here, you have two options. The first option lets you choose a solid color. Simply pick the color you want. The second option is for texture-based dirt. To use this, uncheck Color Dirt, then check Texture Dirt Diffuse. Click the texture slot to browse and apply your desired dirt texture. Once you're done, click Go to Parent to return to the previous level. Now let's adjust how visible the dirt is. Click Intensity Dirt, then click it again. This opens a color picker. Use the grayscale range, and black means maximum dirt intensity. White means minimum dirt visibility. And the last one, gray, medium intensity. Again, click Go to Parent to go back. To change the dirt texture, simply click on Texture Dirt. In AfterBox, MatBox, Texture, Dirt, you will find a variety of high-quality textures. Just download one, then drag and drop the image onto texture slot in the material editor, and your new dirt texture will be applied. Lastly, to scale the dirt effect, click on Triplanar Dirt. Adjust the size value to make the dirt more spread out or more concentrated. 2. Enabling dirt in reflections. To add dirt effects, especially to reflections, click on the reflection map. Now uncheck Disable Dirt and enable Active Dirt. Then click the Active Dirt button to access the settings. Next, click on Intensity Reflection Dirt. Here, you can use the color picker to control how strong or visible the reflection are in the dirty areas. Brighter colors, less reflection in the dirty spots, and dark colors, stronger suppression of reflection. This allows you to create more realistic weathered or aged surfaces, where dirt naturally softens or reduces gloss. 3. Enabling tile effects for the material. To activate tile effects, first click on the diffuse map. Now uncheck Select Mode Dirt and enable Active Tile. Don't worry if you've already applied dirt settings. They won't be disabled by turning this on. Next, click the Active Tile button. In this section, click on Color Tile to control the seam color between the tiles. Then click on Intensity Color Tile and click again to open the color picker. By adjusting the color from white to black, you can control how strongly the tile effect appears. Black gives you maximum tile visibility, and white minimizes the effect. To change the tile pattern, click on Texture Tile. Then go to AfterBox, MatBox, Textures, Tile. Download the tile texture you want and simply drag and drop it into the texture slot. in the material editor. To change the tile size, go to the mapping source section. If triplanar tile is enabled, go ahead and turn it off. Then scroll down and use the tile settings below to adjust the size. The rule is simple. Values lower than 1 will make the tiles appear larger, and values higher than 1 will make them appear smaller. Enabling tile bump. You can also add bump details to your tile. To do this, click on the bump map section. Now uncheck Disable Tile Normal and enable Active Tile Normal. Click on Active Tile Normal to open the settings. Here, you can control bump strength using Intensity Normal Tile by adjusting the normal map value. And to change the normal texture itself, click on Texture Tile. 4. Color Correction. To adjust the material's color, follow this path. Diffuse Map, select Mode Dirt, disable Dirt, then click on the image for Layer 1. Now from the Color section, you can apply color corrections. You can tweak hue, saturation, brightness, and contrast to match your desired look. 5. Adjusting material scale. To change the material size or tiling, go to Diffuse Map, select Mode Dirt, disable Dirt, Layer 1, Diffuse Texture, V-Ray Bitmap, Triplanar, V-Ray Triplanar Text, and Randomizer. Then, under the Coordinates section, adjust the values for tiling U and V to control the horizontal and vertical scale for your texture. 6. Controlling bump intensity. To modify how strong the material surface details appear, simply change the numeric value next to the bump map. Lower values will make the surface appear smoother, while higher values increase the bump detail. 7. Controlling displacement. Head over to Material Editor, Maps, Displace. Adjust the displacement value for control the overall depth and elevation of your material. Pay attention that bump mapping adds subtle surface texture and small scale details, while displacement actually changes the geometry for more pronounced and realistic surface heights.